Hello again. For the vast majority, it's a fine Friday out there, dry and bright with many places seeing sunny spells. But although the vast majority is staying dry, we do have some showers around, and those showers are quite slow moving because the winds are light, as they are also still quite heavy in some places, particularly northeast England, down into the East Midlands and parts of East Anglia, but also into western and southwestern Scotland. Very hit and miss, but some places catching a big downpour through the rest of today. One or two are possible over southwest England and Wales, but for the vast majority it's dry and it's fine and it's quite warm. Temperatures getting into the low to mid 20s. Always a bit more cloud around the coasts in the northeast. Still a few of those showers around through the evening, but they fade away pretty quickly. So from midnight onwards, it's largely dry out there, turning a bit misty and murky in a few places, and reasonably warm nights as well. Temperatures staying at around about 14 or 15 degrees. We could drop down to single figures through some sheltered glens in Scotland. Into the weekend, up early, it might be a bit misty and murky in a few places, but for most, Saturday morning is dry and bright. Any mist should clear, we'll see some sunshine, but it will be a cloudier day in the west. The clouds spilling into Northern Ireland, some showers here, and then through the day, again, we could see some heavy showers breaking out. Most likely, again, western Scotland, North Wales late in the day, one or two across other western parts, but much of eastern England will be dry and bright. And it's here where we'll see the top temperatures, 24, 25 degrees. Generally speaking, we're in the low 20s. Through Saturday evening, a greater chance of some heavier showers, especially North Wales and western parts of Scotland. So it's staying fairly cloudy in Northern Ireland with outbreaks of rain trickling in here on Saturday night. And there's some rain just edging in towards Pembrokeshire and Cornwall also. That is a weather front tied into this area of low pressure that's moving in through the weekend, getting rid of high pressure and turning things more showery on Sunday. It's also wafting up ahead of it some really quite warm air, and temperatures across East Anglia in the southeast like to be in the mid to even high 20s on Sunday. But that combination of warm air and some moisture on the weather front means the showers that break out on Sunday could be pretty heavy. And given what's happened this week, the ground saturated in many places. We've already seen some extensive flooding. The potential, as we see these hit-and-miss thunderstorms breaking out on Sunday, for further flooding. So there is a yellow warning in force covering parts of Scotland and parts of northern England too. So that's just something to be aware of. Across East Anglia in the southeast, where the sun hangs on, it'll turn quite hazy, but it will be warm here, easily 25, 27, 28 is possible in one or two spots. But as I say, the main cause for concern on Sunday, potential for those thunderstorms may be causing some further issues. So make sure you stay up to date with the very latest. You can keep up to date with the weather warnings through our app, through our website, and always the very latest is on Twitter and Facebook.